Straumann's SIRIOS portfolio, ClearCorrect workflow. To pair Straumann's SIRIOS with your ClearCorrect account, navigate to the gear icon. Under Export tab, you have the choice to create an account or to log in. Once logged in, your information will be saved for 1 year. Once done, go back to the workspace. Select New ClearCorrect case. Add your patient information. Each field is mandatory in order to move forward. Choose the treatment type that corresponds to your patient's case. When choosing a ClearCorrect aligner case, start by selecting which arches will be treated. Select the duration of your treatment. Selecting Recommend will let ClearCorrect give you their best recommendation regarding the treatment duration. You can select to limit your treatment to a specific number of aligners. For retainer case, simply specify the treated arches and the number of retainers needed. Select Next to start scanning. Follow the scan sequence. Can be edited in the settings. Start the scanner by clicking the Scan button on the handpiece. Always acquire at least 3 to 4 millimeters of gingiva on each scan, upper-lower bite. Once your scan is complete, stop the scanner and click the Mode button on the handpiece to move to the next scan. Scan the opposing arch. Bite acquisition. Scan 3 to 4 teeth on both sides with 3 to 4 millimeters of gingiva. Once the software has enough data, the scanner will stop. Start the handpiece again to scan the second bite key. Click Review to process your scan and move to the review screen. In the review screen, make sure your scans don't have any void and have 3 to 4 millimeters of gingiva. Review all case information and select Next. Select Send to export the order to ClearCorrect Doctor Portal. To access ClearCorrect Portal, click the case in the outbox, followed by clicking on the Web View option. Fill your case prescription on ClearCorrect Doctor Portal to submit the case for production. Reminder: always scan at least 3 to 4 millimeters of gingiva on every scans. Make sure to fill all the voids in your scans. You have to log in onto ClearCorrect Doctor Portal in order to submit your order for production.